Alright, now One UI 4.1 is the happening topic in Samsung's world, and I posted a video on One UI 4.1's all new features, which includes features like all new color palettes, smart widgets, etc. I posted this video just a couple of days ago, so if you have missed it, go ahead and check the link in the description, or you will find a thumbnail by the end of this video. After I posted it, I did explore some more new features or changes on One UI 4.1 compared to 4.0. So in this follow-up video, we are going to take a look at all those other changes which you might not have noticed on One UI 4.1. Now, if you love watching contents on One UI and would love to stay updated with all the new features, tips and tricks on your Samsung phones, this is the channel you need to subscribe. So go ahead, smash the subscribe button and leave a like for this video if you find it useful. Now let's go ahead. I've got the S22 Ultra on the right hand side, which is running on One UI 4.1, and for comparison I have got Note 20 Ultra on the left hand side, which is on One UI 4.0. Now let's go to settings. Let's tap on battery and device care on both these devices. Let's tap on battery, more battery settings. Here you can see we have processing speed. I'll tap on this. This is on One UI 4.1. And here on One UI 4.0, we don't have that option. We have got enhanced processing option only. We can turn on the toggle to get faster data processing for all apps except games. Uses more battery. Now this older option or the feature may be related to the games throttling issue that Samsung has gotten into. Even on this 4.1, it only talks about faster data processing and doesn't talk about games at all. Anyway, Samsung is rolling out a fix with an all-new update, which apparently is already live in South Korea. So we are going to get that update very soon. I'll keep you posted on that. Now, this is the new feature that we have on 4.1. We have got optimized option, high and maximum. I always select optimized, best for most situations, balances speed with battery and cooling efficiency. Now, if you want a higher performance, you can select high. And if you want maximum performance, which is best for short-term use with processing intensive apps, uses battery rapidly and tends to cause heating. So just in case if you need that maximum performance, you can select this for a short term. Now I'm not too sure whether One UI 4.1 will get this new processing speed options on all the devices, because this could be related to the chipset as well. But let's wait and see. Maybe if some of the flagships may get this option. Now let's move on to the next one. Let's go to settings. Let's go to accessibility settings. I'll tap on hearing enhancements. As you can see, all the way down on One UI 4.1, we have got two options now, whereas in the previous version of One UI, we had only one option. This is about left and right sound balance. We have two options now. We can change the sound balance for the connected audio. It could be your earphone or any speakers. And then we have got another option, phone speakers. So now we can also change left and right sound balance on the phone speakers. That is just fantastic. This is the second one. Let's go to the third one now. Let's go to gallery. Let's open an image here. I'll tap on this three-dot kebab menu at the bottom corner. As you can see, we have got an option, add portrait effect, which is not there on One UI 4.0. This feature will work only on the images where you have faces. Basically, it's on a portrait image which you have taken. Even if you have taken a selfie without the portrait effect, we will be able to add the portrait effect using this feature. Now the next one is a very exciting feature. Let's go to settings. Let's tap on advanced features. Here we have got ES Pen option. I'll tap on this. As you can see, we have got an all new option here called ES Pen to text. This is an amazing feature added on One UI 4.1. I hope this lands on all the Note series devices which are eligible for One UI 4.1. Let me tell you how this works. As you can see, it says use your ES Pen to write in search fields, address bars and other text areas. Your handwriting will be converted to text, but you can still scratch out, add to and edit the converted text with your ES Pen. Now let me show you how this works. Let's take out the ES Pen. Let's open Chrome browser. As you can see on the search bar, I will be able to write whatever I want, which will be converted into text, and I can tap on search. Now this works anywhere which has a search field. Even on the Finder, we will be able to search an application by just writing using the ES Pen. This is an amazing feature, isn't it? This is a cool feature Samsung has added on One UI 4.1. Alright, now let's tap on settings on both the devices. Let's go to advanced features. Again, here you can see we have got an all new option called Smart Suggestions. This is not there on One UI 4.1. Let me tap on this. It says get suggestions for useful actions such as calendar events to add and messages to send based on how you use your phone. To protect your privacy, data for this feature never leaves your phone. We can turn this on Samsung keyboard, smart widget, calendar, reminder. This is again a cool feature, an all new feature which is added on One UI 4.1, which you must check out. Perhaps I'll make a separate video on how this whole thing works. Stay tuned for that and let me know in the comment section if you need a separate video for this. Now let's just go back. On the advanced features, I will tap on video call effects. As you can see on the previous version of One UI 4.0, we have available apps only for Duo. Now we have got Google Duo, Messenger as well as WhatsApp, which supports the video call effects. This is another change that we have on One UI 4.1. Now again, let's go to settings. Let me tap on connections. Now I will tap on more connection settings. Here you can see another change. This is not a new feature addition. As you can see on One UI 4.1, we had an option HDMI mode, which is not seen on the One UI 4.1. When I tap on HDMI mode, it shows me Samsung DeX and screen mirroring option, which is not available here on One UI 4.1. That's of course just a change that we have. Let's move on. Let's go to settings. I will scroll all the way down. Here you can see on One UI 4.1, we had an option tips and user manual. Whereas on One UI 4.1, we only have user manual option. Now we don't see tips option over here. That is a bit strange. I searched the tips option on 4.1. I'm not able to get it anywhere here in the settings. These tips would have been great for those of you who are new to Samsung, but that is not available here on One UI 4.1. We just have the user manual. Alright, these are some of the other new changes or features which have been added on One UI 4.1 apart from the ones I have already shared in my previous video. Now I can't really confirm whether all these features will be landing on the predecessors on One UI 4.1. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's wait and see which features will be omitted by Samsung on its predecessors. I just hope all of them lands on the previous devices. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, smash the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.